Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim this free avatar decoration on Discord. So to do that, make sure you have Valorant first. So if you don't have it, install first, or if you play Valorant, that's good already. So you don't really need to install it again. But if you want this for free, just go to Discover here and go to the quest section. Now, I have claimed it, but if you haven't, you're just going to accept quest. You're going to basically open up the Valorant game, and then you are going to play it for around 15 minutes. You can just leave it on idle and not play it if you don't feel like it. Just leave it for 15 minutes and then claim it on Discord. Make sure you have your activity on and you're online so Discord can track it. And then you're just going to select use now, and you're going to have this really cute free avatar decoration up to 2 months, I think. Just like apply. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.